Hey guys, welcome to the 2018 MCAT preparation questions. This is question 37 in this series. So today's question is this one right here. As usual, pause the video, try the question out by yourself and see how far you can actually go with this question. Okay, I'm hoping you guys have can see the pattern that's happening with this particular question. Now remember, in the MCAT, you're not allowed to use the graphics calculator or any calculator of such. So the numbers they're going to give you is there's some sort of relationship. Now in this case, what I'm hoping you guys would have seen is that all of these numbers are actually multiples of 3's. So you've got 3 to the power of 1 equals to 3, 3 to the power of 2 equals 9, 3 to the power of 3 equals 27, and 3 to the power of 4 equals 81. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start replacing all of these numbers that are not 3, but replace it with powers of 3. So 27 there, I'm going to replace with 3 to the power of 3. So that's going to look like this. Now, because that's been raised to the power of x, right? Remember that's 27 to the power of x, multiplied by 81. Now, 81 is 3 to the power of 4, so I'm going to write that there. And then now that's less than 9 to the power, so 9 to the power of x. So we've got 9 is equal to 3 squared, which is at the top there. So I'm going to replace it with 3 squared. Now that's being raised to the power of x, and the whole thing is divided by just 3, which is 3 to the power of 1. Sorry, I'm just going to choose a different color there. So that's 3 to the power of 1. I'm going to replace with that. So once I have this, I can start simplifying this. So when you have the two powers, so when you have 3 and x, I'm talking about right here, remember that when you have powers of powers, you multiply the powers. So this is going to look like 3 to the power of 3x. Multiplied by 3 to the power of 4, and it's less than 3 to the power of 2x divided by 3 to the power of 1. And remember that in this case, when you're dividing by exponents, you subtract the powers. So you can rewrite this as 3 to the power of 2x minus 1. And as for the left-hand side, when you multiply with the same basis, the powers get added up. So you got 3x plus 4. So once we have this, what we have is like one exponent on the left hand side and one exponent on the right hand side. And because we can almost say that the powers, there's some relationship with the powers. In other words, what we can actually do is, because it's less than, we can actually say that 3x plus 4 has to be less than 2x minus 1. Rearranging this, we're going to get 3x minus 2x minus 4 is less than negative 1, and then 3x minus 2x is just x, and x is less than negative 1. Sorry, that was not a minus 4, that should have been a plus 4, but when you shift it to the left hand side it becomes minus 4, and so your final answer is that x has to be less than negative 5. Cool, that's basically it for the short little video, guys. If you have any questions, pop it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.